Hey everyone, this is Bhargav Suthar, and today we will learn very important topic in graph theory, that is handshaking lemma. So in this today's session we will discuss party problem or handshaking lemma and some of the examples. Okay, so let us discuss what is this lemma. So the sum of degree of the vertices of a graph, it is the twice the number of edges. Okay, and the formula, that is this summation of degree of each vertex, that is twice the number of edges. So this is how you can represent it mathematically. Now remark, so as every edge is counted in the degree of both the terminal vertices, hence the sum of degree of vertices, it is twice the number of edges. So this is also known as handshaking lemma. So suppose in a party, if you shake hand with each and everyone, so how many total number of shake hands will be there? So you will get this answer from this lemma. Okay, so what is the corollary? So in any graph, the number of vertices of odd degree, that will be even number. So what is the proof? So let capital G be a graph with E edges, E number of edges, and N number of vertices. Fine. Then by the theorem, this summation I running from 1 to N, degree of Vi, that is twice the number of edges by handshaking lemma. Now see, the total degree of all the vertices, it can be expressed as sum of degrees of even degree vertices and also odd degree vertices. Fine. So what we can do, this sigma of degree VE, so that means even degree, plus sigma of degree V is O, so that means odd degree, and that is the sum of all the vertices. Fine. So where this VE equals to even degree vertices and VO, so that means odd degree vertices. Okay, so this left hand side, that is same, but this right hand side, that is degree of sum of degree of all the vertices, and that is twice the number of edges. So here we have number of edges, that is E, so twice 2 times E by handshaking lemma. So this will be the expression. So that means degree of sum of degree of odd degree, so that means sigma of degree VO equals to 2E minus taking this expression on the other side, so that means sigma degree VE. Fine. So what does that mean? So that means now the sum of degree of even vertices is always even, and also T2E, that is also even. So what does that mean? That means the sigma degree of V0, that is even. So hence sum of degree of odd vertex, that is even. So hence it is proved. Now let us discuss results. Now degree of any vertex of a simple graph. Now what is a simple graph? We all know all this. So what is a simple graph? A graph having no parallel edges and no self loop. Okay, so degree of any vertex of a simple graph with n vertices, it is at the most, so that means maximum n minus 1. Fine. And the second result is maximum number of edges in a simple graph with n number of vertices, it is n minus 1 by 2. So maximum number of vertices will be the degree of any vertex will be n minus 1, and the maximum number of edges in a simple graph will be n minus 1 by 2. So we will discuss proof of this result, second result. So as at the most vertices of degree n minus 1 in a simple graph, so by that theorem, handshaking lemma, the sum of degree of vertices, it is twice the number of edges. So sigma degree of Vi equals to 2E. Fine. So what does that mean? Now the at most degree is n minus 1, so that means n minus 1 plus n minus 1 and so on up to n times, and that is equals to 2E. Okay, so that is this n minus 1 equals to 2 times E. Now subject E, so that will be n minus 1 by 2. So that is simple. Now let us discuss example. How many nodes are necessary to construct a graph with exactly 8 edges in which each node it is of degree 2? So we will use handshaking lemma. So just suppose there are n nodes or vertices in the graph with 8 edges. Okay, we have given with exactly 8 edges in which each node it is of degree 2. So now here you can see that this each vertex it is of degree 2. So how many nodes? That means we want to find the number of vertices. So then by theorem, this summation I running from 1 to n, degree of Vi equals to 2E. So that means this 2 plus 2 plus 2 n times, we don't know n and we want to find n, equals to twice the number of edges. Here the number of edges are given. Fine. So 2 into 8. Now how it is 2? Because each node it is of degree 2. So 2 plus 2 n times equals to 2 times 8. So that means 2n equals to 2 times 8. So what does that mean? N equals to 8. So that means 8 vertices are required to construct a graph with 8 edges in which each vertex it is of degree 2. So this is how you can find either number of vertices or number of edges by using this hand checking lemma. Now let us discuss another example. So the question is determine the number of edges. So here we want to determine edges. In previous example it was vertices, fine. So determine the number of edges in a graph with 6 nodes. So 6 vertices are given and 2 of degree 4 and 4 of degree 2, fine, and draw 2 such graphs. So again we will use hand checking lemma. So by hand checking lemma, the sum of degree of the vertices of a graph, it is twice the number of edges, fine. So by the mathematical expression, so sigma I running from 1 to 6, why 6? Because we have given nodes. So degree of vi equals to twice the number of edges. Now here you can see that we have given 4 vertices are of degree 2. So that means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4 times, and 2 of degree 4. So that means 4 plus 4 2 times equals to 2e. So all we need to do, that means just subject e. So we will get e equals to 8. So that means there will be 8 edges, 6 nodes, and 2 vertices of 4 degree, and 4 vertices are of 2 degree. Fine. And draw such 2 graphs. So this will be the graph. As you can see that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3. As you can see that how many vertices are there? 3 and 3. So total 6 vertices are there, and you can see that this 4 vertices has to be of degree 2. So this and this, they are the degree of it is of degree 2, and 2 vertices are of degree 4. So this vertex, okay, and this vertex it is of degree 2, and we want to find or draw 2 such graphs. So this is the first graph, and the second graph will be like this. See, here total we have 6 vertices. Now as you can see that this point or this vertex, first, second, third and fourth, they are of degree 2, and this opposite vertices, they are of degree 4. So you can draw this type of graphs up to your imagination. Okay, so there can be infinite number of graphs. So thank you.